Hello, welcome to Interchange 3, Unit 9, Getting Things Done. Have two cases, get or have something done, and making suggestions. Level 4 by Maira Garcia and Jose Peroza. Getting things done or solving things or making things yourself or have someone else do them for you, for me. For example, study is activity that someone else cannot do for you, for me. But repair your car or my car is activity someone else can do it for you or for me. The general grammatic structure is subjects, verbs, objects, adverb of time. The second situation, we use subjects, the word get or have, plus objects, plus verb, and past participle. The third case is for question. Appear the auxiliary verb leads or WA question. For we already explain in more detail in the next slide. Here, do sometime yourself. Two cases, affirmation, and question. The object we use is a car. The verbs there are clean, fish, paint, and wash. Example, I clean my car every week. I is a subject, clean is a verb, my car is an object, and every week is a verb of time. Here, the verb clean appears in present simple. Other option is, example, they fix your car. Here, the verb appears in past simple. There isn't a verb of time. Other situation is when appear two verbs, auxiliary verb and main verbs. Example, he is painting his car. The main verb, paint, appear in gerunds, painted. For question is a little different. We use this auxiliary verb or WA question. Example, did you paint your car? Here, did is auxiliary verb, you is a subject, paint is a main verb, your car is an object. Other option is when appear W question. Example, where can I wash my car? In both cases, the main verb appear in infinitive. The second case for affirmation and question is similar. The unique difference is that appear the word gets or have. For affirmation, the structure grammatical is subjects, the word gets, objects, verb, and description of service. Example, I get my car cleaned by cleaner every week. Here, the verb clean appear in simple present passive. Passive is because appear the word by. Other option is, example, they got the car fixed. Here, the verb fish appear in past simple. Third situation, when appear two verbs, auxiliary verb and main verbs. Example, he is having his car painted. Here, the main verb paint appear in present perfect. For question is similar. Appear two verbs, auxiliary verb, main verb. Example, did you have your car painted? Did is an auxiliary, you is a subject, have is a verb have, car is an object, and paint is a main verb. Other option, when appear a question. Example, where can I have my car washed? Here, in both cases, the main verb appear in past participle.
Making suggestions. You can use modals, gerunds, negative questions, and infinities. With modal plus verbs, maybe you could say parts in assigned graphs. With gerunds, what about joins a running class? Or have you thought about asking your friends to introduce you around? With negative questions, why don't you do some volunteer works? Why infinities? One option is to join a class. Is maybe a good idea to check out the cultural events and the university. Here, I will explain the topic better. In this case, we have subjects with modals. Calls, my, may, my. How to, for example, how to sing better. You need adverbs, subjects, modals, verbs in the base forms, and the complements. It's important to see the adverb is optional. Maybe you could take part in a singing class, or it's maybe a good idea to start with easy song. Maybe you should practice more. Here, with gerunds, you need what or has you thought, plus about, plus gerund, plus complements. Remember, about is a preposition, and after about, you need gerunds. What about join a singing class? Or had you thought about doing a singing course? In this case, suggestions with negative questions. For example, improve your drive. You need why don't you plus the verb in the base form and plus the complements. Why don't you do a course? Or why don't you hire a private tutor? With infinities, you need now friends plus be plus infinities with is to plus the complements. One option is to join a driving class, or another option is to take a driving class. It may be a good idea to check a practice all the day. Thank you very much for listening. That was everything for today. Thank you.